the master bedroom, which is to the right. Yeah, pretty decent size. And wrong door. I'm just kidding. Welcome to my home. You're welcome to my 2+1 den empty Toronto apartment. I just picked up the keys for this apartment today, so I just thought it would be nice to show you guys around before I move in. So to the left we have the kitchen area, the stove, microwave, then refrigerator of course, and this is the kitchen area. There's also a dishwasher here, and moving to the right hand side once you enter the apartment we have our dresser for coats, obviously coats, shoes and all that good stuff when you get back or something, so you can hang your coats and all that there. Then here we have the dining room area, which I think is really big. Yeah, so this is the dining room area. Then over here we have the living room area. I hope to put my TV here. I think the TV has to be here though. Okay, my TV here and my couch here. Then these two stools would be like a bar stool. I'll probably get one more bar stool for this area here. So I'll probably get one more bar stool for this place. I totally love this place because you can see outside. The very large window that has, like, you can see the highway from here. If you see, that is highway 401. And here you also have a very nice view of the closest intersection to this place. Super cool. And this is what the view looks like at night. So pretty. I love the fact that it's very close to the highway, so once you get out of this building you are going straight to 401 West, so it's actually very nice. Then let me take you to one of the bedrooms here. Going here you find the small bedroom. This is the second bedroom actually. Before I take you guys in, I would like for you to guess in the comment section how much you think this apartment cost. It's a condo in Toronto. It's a 2-bedroom and a den, and we have 1 locker and 1 parking spot, and it's about 1,000 square feet. So, and it has 2 washrooms as well, 2 full washrooms. So let me know how much you think this is going to be. So let me take you to the other bedroom. This is I think this is the second bedroom. It's not the master bedroom. The master bedroom is on the other side. I love this one because it has like a very nice window, tall window, bright, a lot of sunshine coming in here. So this is actually really cool. The only thing I don't like about this room is I feel like it's really small and there is no dresser or closet or whatever in here. So I have to get something that I can use to put my clothing and all that stuff. And I really hope my queen size bed is going to fit in here nicely, because I cannot get another bed, and I don't know, let's just see. I really hope it fits. So let me take you to the rest of the bedrooms. After the second bedroom, I'll take you to the master bedroom, which is to the right. Yeah, pretty decent size, would contain a king size bed and 2 dressers. Really nice. Also a very large window here, so I think that's super cool. Then from the master bedroom you can always come here to the dresser. It has two dressers here, so this one and this one here. I think they're actually connecting, so it's actually cool. So this is the dresser, 2 dressing area. Then towards this side you find the washroom here. Super cool, nice, simple. I think the shower is also here. I don't know if this is a new bathtub, but it looks really nice. So this would be where we would do all of our sinks. So this is the washroom, the whatever, that's that. Once you leave the master bedroom, coming to this side, you find the laundry here. So this is the washer and dryer. Then this is extra storage space. Then towards the side you find the second full bathroom. Another great thing about this apartment: 2 full washroom, 2 master bedroom, and a den. Very nice. So this is the other washroom. There is a storage cabinet here, or would I say medicine cabinet. This is the sink, and this is the bathtub. Looks really nice and clean. It's a full washroom as well. Moving on to the den, which I think is actually almost a room size, but it's a den according to whoever owns this building. So let me take you to the den. There you go. It's a very large space and can almost be used as a separate room. Super, like very large. Very large. It also contains a queen size bed and I think a dresser or something. So very cool. If you look at it from that angle as well, very large. I love this one. This will probably be my office space / YouTube studio or something. I don't know. I'll just think of some creative ideas. I wonder if you guys have some cool ideas for me as to how I can decorate this place. Make sure to leave them in the comments. I'm happy to hear from you all. Then what else? I don't know what this is. This is like a very nice bar. I think they already put some glasses for us here, so that's nice. I love the fact that this place has a lot of storage space, cabinets for all my Nigerian food, African dish, and all my groceries and all that stuff. There are also some here. Like, it's very large. There are also some here, drawers and all that stuff. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this apartment. Although this apartment looks really old, somehow I would try to like maintain it well and try to make some renovations or small changes that will make it look really nice and cute. I hope to change this backsplash here. I'll just get some nice one from Amazon and just change it from this one. Yeah, that's it about this apartment. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. This is my first time doing like an actual full bedroom tour. If you guys enjoy watching this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe right away and ensure you turn the post notification bell on as well. And of course, we're going to settle in this apartment together, get to figure out things, rearrange, buy furnitures and all that stuff to make it really look nice. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you would like to see more, comment below, and you can also guess in the comment section how much you think this apartment will be. My friend and I will be sharing this apartment. It's not just for only me. Of course, I cannot for the life of me rent a 2-bedroom and a den apartment for just me. I cannot afford it to begin with and I don't need that much space. So I'm going to be sharing this apartment with my friend. And yeah, if you guys enjoy watching this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. In the meantime, stay confident. Bye.